Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use digestive enzymes. Digestive enzymes are vital proteins that help your body break down the foods you eat into smaller, more manageable components. This process is essential for absorbing nutrients like carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. While your body produces many enzymes naturally, sometimes supplementation can be beneficial to support optimal digestion and overall gut health. We'll cover how to incorporate them effectively. Timing is key when taking digestive enzymes for maximum effectiveness. It's generally recommended to take them right before or with your very first bite of a meal. This ensures the enzymes are present in your digestive tract as food enters, allowing them to begin breaking down nutrients immediately. Always adhere to the specific dosage guidelines provided on your chosen product's label, and consider starting with a smaller amount to assess your body's response. There are several types of digestive enzymes, each targeting different macronutrients. Amylase is crucial for breaking down carbohydrates, like starches, into simpler sugars. Lipase focuses on fats, converting them into fatty acids and glycerol for absorption. Protease enzymes are essential for protein digestion, breaking them down into amino acids. If you have lactose intolerance, a lactase enzyme can help digest the sugar found in dairy products, preventing discomfort. To get the most out of your digestive enzymes, consider a broad-spectrum blend if your meals vary widely in composition. Proper storage is also important. Keep them in a cool, dry place to maintain their potency. Before introducing any new supplement into your routine, it's always wise to speak with a healthcare professional. They can offer personalized advice and ensure it's the right choice for your individual needs. Listen to your body and adjust usage accordingly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.